What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you my Subrosa Altus. The best bike, 14-inch. My best BMX. I love. Oh, very hurt. No, it isn't.
Very fast.
Look at them. I'm not really on my bike. Hi. Yeah. That second one was amazing. That second one was amazing. I love that. Nella. I need to do it longer. I can't really do it.
Oh, you will?
Yes. Trying my best. Really trying.
I can't got bit by a spider.
Ooh.
Look at that, that's a big one. You like spiders? No? Look at that one.
Ow. Oh. Oh. So, I'm now going to tell you how good this bike is with stunts and wheelies and stuff, like jumps. Like if you had a mountain bike, your bike wouldn't be this good. If I ever saw a mountain bike, I'm just going to look away from it. I don't like mountain bikes, I like BMXs. And my bike is amazing. So, if you did a jump, mountain bike would just go like, but because mountain bikes have more weight, really, but BMXs, not that much weight. So if you did a jump, the BMX would go like, about like this height, probably. But if you're really good at BMXs like my dad, it would go like, really good. He can do front backflips. He can't do a front flip. But this bike is really good because, like, that's because that the chain doesn't get that loose often. My bike, it's only been loose once, really, pretty sure. And also, if you had a bike like mine, so something like weird you would think, because if you used to have like mountain bike, you used to have a mountain bike, now you have a BMX. It would feel weird because, well, you're used to riding a mountain bike, but when you get bit. So, now talking about the brakes. So, this wire is really good. Well, it's not that, my brakes don't work that good, not that good. So, I'm just talking about my wheels. They're really good. They get 60 psi, really good. And I smell pools. I smell like a hot tub. It's weird. But these are kind of flat. It's not like flat that I lose pumping. But I do like this bike because it has rank 14x 20.20 20. Jets. Let's wait. Cut out the jets. My front wheel is very good because it does the same. watching. Bye bye.